This video will guide you through the configuration of virtual loopbacks on the SL2100 communication system. Further information can be found in the Virtual Loopback Quick Install Guide. Virtual loopbacks are trunk and extension channels within the SL2100 that do not require any physical hardware to be installed. A call presented to a virtual extension channel will automatically route to the corresponding virtual trunk channel and will be presented as a new incoming trunk call. They can be viewed within PC Pro and configured as per physical trunks and extensions. Virtual loopbacks provide the SL2100 with the ability to give DDI routing options to an incoming analog trunk call. Give extensions the ability to make an internal call that routes as if it were an incoming DDI call. Increase the routing options available to the auto attendant. The maximum quantity of channels available is 30. There must be spare capacity within the SL2100 to assign the quantity of virtual trunk and extension channels required. PC Pro chassis view will show the free ports available. Before setting up the virtual loopback channels, it is recommended that you first install all the physical hardware. Plan your configuration and decide on the quantity of virtual loopback channels required. There is a worksheet within the Quick Install Guide. Use Web Pro to set up the virtual loopback channels. This cannot be done using PC Pro. Log in to installer level. The default username is tech and password 123456778. Select program 1042. Enter the quantity of virtual loopback channels required and click Apply. The Start Trunk port and Start Extension port for the virtual loopback channels will be shown. Log out of Web Pro and continue the remaining setup within PC Pro. Within PC Pro Easy Edit, Card Configuration, Virtual Loopbacks, Virtual Loopback Extension Port, the Virtual Extension Start Port number and quantity of channels is shown. You can name each extension channel and assign all channels to a department group. The department group is used to simplify the routing of calls. The pilot number is used as the target to route the calls to the virtual loopback channels. Within Virtual Loopback Numbering Plan, you can choose an extension number range that will be used for the Virtual Loopback pilot number. Choose a number away from any physical extensions. The dial digit length is not too important, changed in this example to demonstrate the option is available. Within Virtual Loopback Department Group, define the pilot number. This must be the same digit length as defined in the numbering plan. Name the department group. Within Virtual Loopback Basic Setup, you can add additional digits to the pilot number. This will provide a block of DDI digits that will be used exclusively by the Virtual Loopback channels. The DDI digits will be appended to the pilot number. In our example, the pilot number is 41, plus one DDI digit will create a block of 10 DDIs in the range from 410 to 419. The virtual trunks are set up as DDI mode and routed in the same way as all other DDIs. Virtual trunks are usually given their own trunk group and DDI routing table to separate them from any physical trunks. The range of DDI numbers is determined by the department group pilot number plus the additional DDI digits. Within Virtual Loopback Routing, Virtual Loopback Trunk Group, the virtual trunk start port number and quantity of channels is shown. You can name each trunk channel and assign all channels to a trunk group. Within Virtual Loopback DDI Table area, create a new DDI Translation Table area. Within Virtual Loopback DDI Table Area Target, assign the DDI Translation Table area for the trunk group of the virtual loopback trunks. You must also set the quantity of dial in received digits to the same quantity you have defined for the pilot number of the department group plus the additional DDI digits. In this example, the pilot number length is 2 digits plus 1 additional DDI digit, results in 3 received DDI digits. Within Virtual Loopback Trunk Type, set the Virtual Loopback Trunks to DDI mode for all 8 night modes. Within Virtual Loopback DDI Routing Table, enter the DDI routing within the table area defined for the virtual loopbacks. In this example, DDI Table Area 10 uses table entries 701 to 800. You can test each virtual loopback DDI by placing an internal call to the pilot number, example 410. The call will be routed as defined in the DDI table and display the DDI name at the ringing extension. Placing an internal call to 411 will simulate the auto attendant option 1. InGuard can exclude calls made via the virtual loopback trunk channels. Refer to the InGuard user manual for instructions. InReports can include or exclude calls made via the virtual loopback channels. Trunk calls made via a loopback trunk and extension channel will cause 2 records to be reported. To prevent this, you can disable SMDR reporting within the system configuration. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has been helpful in configuration of virtual loopbacks on the SL2100 communication system. There are other quick installation videos available on our YouTube channel.
Orchestrating a brighter world, NEC.